my name is Eamon and I'm from America. So, Mizuyokan, or soft sweet bean jelly, is a popular cold dessert in Fukui. For some reason, people eat it during the cold winter months, especially while sitting under their kotatsu. It's very interesting. So today, I will make Mizuyokan. So let's get started. So it's like the gelatin, the content.
All of them?
All of it at once? Okay, go for it.
Brown sugar.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so white sugar and brown sugar.
Yeah.
Oh. What is brown sugar in Japanese?
Kurosato. Please put one third, only one third into
In here.
a bit more.
Ah, okay. So it's kind of like melting this, maybe? Or
はい。また沸騰させる。5秒ほど沸騰させたら、はい。冷まします。Just boil for 5 seconds. 5 seconds.
oh, really? Very short.
It's very short.
A little, but I'm not very good at it. I'm trying to learn how to cook more, but I can only make maybe very easy things. It's okay?
ここから5秒ね。1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Finish.
Done.
Hi. This whole thing? Oh, just okay.
入るね。
Like this?
入る。
はい。
Oh, and continue mix
okay.
To cool down.
Ah, okay. I've tried to make like omu rice. Because we don't really eat it in America, so I think it must be a Japanese invention. But the egg on top, usually in the restaurant, when you cut it open, it's, but I cannot make, mine is always dry.
ちょっとまだ熱いかな。
Tonkatsu is easy though. Easy. It kind of looks like thick coffee, a little.
Slowly. 豚ミュージアムで売っちゃいますか。Concentration.
Yay!
Yeah.
10 minutes.
Oh, only 10 minutes. Wow. Really? Ta-da. Yay! Ah, so.